Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best camping table is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, offering a stable surface for cooking, dining, and playing games, while also providing convenient storage solutions to keep your campsite organized and clutter-free, making it an indispensable companion for everything from backyard BBQs to remote wilderness adventures. Number 5. iClimb Ultralight Compact Camping Folding Table, S. Tired of flimsy tables? Ours features a unique hinged design, ensuring it stands strong for years to come, unlike those with bungee cords. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, it weighs just 2.2 pounds yet supports up to 66 pounds. It's durable, waterproof, and corrosion-resistant, making it a breeze to clean. Sturdy joints and anti-slip feet keep it perfectly stable, even on uneven ground. The legs won't fold, bend, or slip, giving you peace of mind. Setting it up is a snap. Simply open the base and attach the tabletop. You'll be enjoying your leisure time in seconds, with a video guide available for extra help. When packed, it's incredibly compact at 17 by 5.9 by 2.76 inches. It comes with a carry bag, making it easy to take anywhere your adventures lead. Its perfect height and flat surface make it ideal for drinks, snacks, or even placing your stove. Use it for camping, picnics, beach trips, fishing, or even at home. We believe in the quality of our product. That's why we offer a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. This table boasts a unique hinged design for superior durability. If you prioritize longevity and a lightweight yet sturdy build for casual outdoor use like enjoying drinks and snacks, this is a fantastic choice. Its heat-resistant surface also means you can place your stove directly on it. What people say. The table is very sturdy and stable, even on uneven ground. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for camping trips. The storage compartment is surprisingly spacious and holds a good amount of gear. Number 4. CampLand Outdoor Folding Table. Introducing the CampLand Outdoor Folding Table, your perfect companion for any adventure. It's designed for convenience and durability. This table is incredibly lightweight and folds down compactly, making it easy to carry and store. It's ideal for all your on-the-go outdoor needs. Crafted with a durable MDF tabletop and a sturdy aluminum frame, it's built to last. It can hold up to 66 pounds, providing a reliable surface for your activities. Keep your food safe from bugs and animals with the convenient zippered storage organizer. It offers plenty of space to keep your essentials protected. It comes with a handy carrying case, making it simple to bring along to the beach, park, or campground. Enjoy home comforts wherever you roam. Perfect for camping, picnics, tailgating, or backyard BBQs, this portable table is a must-have for your outdoor gear. It's a versatile addition for all your gatherings. Please note that the tabletop is not waterproof. For outdoor use, consider using a tablecloth. If it gets wet, wipe it dry and store it promptly to maintain its condition. What we like. This option offers a convenient detachable storage organizer to keep your items safe from bugs and animals. If you're looking for a versatile table for BBQs or parties where keeping food protected is a priority, this table is ideal. Its adjustable height also adds to its practicality for various activities. What people say. The table is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for camping trips. The storage compartment is surprisingly spacious and holds a good amount of gear. Setting up and taking down the table is a breeze, taking only a few minutes. Number 3. CampField Folding Aluminum Table. Introducing the CampField Folding Aluminum Table. Setting it up for your next adventure is quick and simple, allowing you more time to enjoy the outdoors. This table folds down to a compact size, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. It's perfect for any outdoor excursion, from camping to beach trips. Whether you're cooking, dining, or playing games, this table is your go-to companion. Its practical design suits all your outdoor needs. Built to last, it can hold up to 68 pounds, providing a stable surface for your essentials. It also features convenient storage solutions. While not waterproof, a simple tablecloth or prompt drying after rain will keep it looking great. This ensures it remains a reliable part of your adventures for years to come. Its foldable nature makes it ideal for those with limited space. Store it away easily when not in use, maximizing your living area. Use it as a grill station, a picnic surface, or a convenient spot for your gear. It's designed for all your outdoor activities. What we like. With its adjustable legs, this table provides excellent adaptability for uneven terrain. If you need a practical and versatile table for various outdoor settings like camping, picnics, or backyard gatherings, and value easy setup and compact storage, this is a great pick. The hook and loop fasteners also aid in securing items. What people say. The table is lightweight and easy to carry. It's very sturdy and stable, even on uneven ground. The storage compartment is surprisingly spacious and keeps things organized. Number 2. Folding camping table with storage compartment. Setting up this camping table is a breeze, taking just moments to assemble. You can easily adjust its height to 3 different settings, making it perfect for any task you have in mind. Keep your food and drinks organized and clean with 2 large storage compartments. The detachable bags also make storage and transport incredibly convenient. Crafted from high-quality aluminum and density board, this table is built to last. Its reinforced triangular structure ensures stability and can support up to 66 pounds, while anti-deformation features extend its lifespan. This table is designed for easy transport, featuring a lightweight build and a convenient handle. Its compact folded design allows for quick storage anywhere. Whether for car camping, picnics, parties, or even as a food prep station, this adjustable table is incredibly versatile. It's the perfect companion for all your indoor and outdoor adventures. What we like. This table stands out with its 3 adjustable height settings and spacious storage lockers, making it incredibly functional. If you need a versatile table for diverse tasks, from food prep to serving, and appreciate ample organized storage, this is the one. Its stable triangular structure ensures reliability for indoor or outdoor use. What people say. The table is very sturdy and doesn't wobble at all, even on uneven ground. The storage compartment underneath is surprisingly spacious and holds a lot of gear. It folds up compactly and is easy to carry with the attached handle. Number 1. Eagle Peak Folding Camping Table. Setting up camp is a breeze with this table. It folds and unfolds in seconds, no tools required. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. Crafted with durable, waterproof, and stain-resistant materials, this table is built for the outdoors. The sturdy aluminum frame ensures stability, supporting up to 66 pounds. Keep your campsite tidy with its generous tabletop and multiple storage options. The zippered compartment protects your food, while side pockets and a versatile 3-tier organizer keep essentials within reach. Designed with airflow in mind, it features mesh windows for breathability. The waterproof surfaces and removable shelves make cleaning simple after use. This portable table is perfect for camping, BBQs, picnics, and more. It's designed for convenience and built to be your go-to outdoor companion. We stand by our product with a 1-year limited warranty on frames, tops, and bags. Enjoy peace of mind with our dedicated customer service. What we like. This table features a unique, customizable 3-tier storage organizer and multiple side pockets for superior organization. If you're a camper who loves to keep everything tidy and accessible, this table is perfect for you. The breathable mesh windows also help with airflow, keeping contents fresh. What people say. The table is very sturdy and doesn't wobble at all, even on uneven ground. The storage compartment underneath is surprisingly spacious and holds a lot of gear. It folds up compactly and is easy to carry with the included handle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.